Good evening, students. So, you have attended the quiz from Topsy-Turvy Land. Now, we will discuss the correct answers of the quiz. So, first of all, I will make the screen full screen. Okay. Now, I will type my name here. Then KV. Then class 5th section B, I am entering B. Then roll number I am entering 0. Okay, now we will discuss the questions. So question number 1 is, in topsy-turvy land, the sea is made of option A water, option B sand, option C soil, option D ice. So in topsy-turvy land, the sea is made of sand. So the correct answer will be option B, that is sand. Then question number 2, in topsy-turvy land, the children go to school. Option A in the evening, option B in the morning, option C in the afternoon, option D in the night. So children, when do they go to school in topsy-turvy land? Yes, in the night. So the correct answer will be option D. In topsy-turvy land, the children go to school in the night. Then question number 3, what must be a grand in topsy-turvy land? Option A, the people walk upon their heads. Option B, the front door step is at the back. Option C, buses travel on the sea. Option D, the people in topsy-turvy land pay for what they never get. So, what must be a grand in topsy-turvy land? Yes, option D, that is, the people in topsy-turvy land pay for what they never get. But in our land, we only pay for what we get. But in topsy-turvy land, people have to pay for what they never get. So this is a grand in topsy-turvy land. Then question 4, which of the following sentences is the correct one about our land? Read the question again. Which of the following sentences is the correct one about our land? Option A, the people walk upon their heads. In our land, the people don't walk upon their heads, so it will be false. Then option B, the sea is made of sand. It also will be false. Then D, buses travel on the sea. It is also false because buses travel on roads in our land. So option C will be the correct one here. The children go to school during daytime. In our land, the children go to school during daytime. Then question 5, and buses on the sea you will meet. Find two nouns from the extract. Option A, bus sea. Option B, bus meet. Option C, and on. Option D, the you. So if we come to option A, bus and sea, these two are two nouns. Bus is a noun, sea is a noun. But option B, bus and meet, bus is a noun, but meet is not a noun, it is a verb. Then option C, and is a conjunction, on is a preposition. Then option D, the is an article, and you is a pronoun. So option A will be the correct answer here. Bus and sea, both of them are nouns. Then question number 6, provide the word that best matches to inhabitants. Option A, skinny. Option B, market. Option C, gentle. Option D, citizens. So what will be the word which best matches with inhabitants? Yes, citizens. So option D will be the correct answer here. Then question 7, which is not a rhyming word of land? Option A, sand. Option B, stand. Option C, streets. Option D, grand. So which is not a rhyming word? Yes, street is not a rhyming word of land. So option C will be here the correct answer. Then question number 8, what is the word used in the poem for feeling of enjoyment? So what is the single word used in the poem for feeling of enjoyment? Option A, pleasure. Option B, topsy-turvy. Option C, grand. Option D, planned. So here the answer will be feeling of enjoyment is your pleasure. So option A will be the correct answer here. Then question number 9. Who is the poet of the poem Topsy Turvy Land? Option A Galway Kinnell, option B H.E. Wilkinson, option C R.L. Stevenson, option D Jan Nagro. So here the poet of the poem Topsy Turvy Land is H.E. Wilkinson. So option B is the correct answer here. Then question number 10. Which of the following pairs is not a homophone pair? Option A there, option B are, where, option C see, option D meet. So what is homophone? Homophone means the words which have same pronunciation but different spellings. So here which is not a homophone pair? Yes, so option B will be the correct answer here. Are and where are not homophone. Are and where is not a homophone pair. Then question number 11. Opposite word of pleasure is option A happy, option B pain, option C amusement, option D cheerful. So here opposite word of pleasure will be pain. So option B is the correct answer here. Then question number 12. Pick the odd one out from the following: chair, stool, table, thermometer. So here chair, stool and table are furnitures which are found inside our room, but thermometer is a medical equipment, so it will be the different here. So option A will be the correct answer, that is thermometer. Then question number 13. What is the word used in the poem for go from one place to another? So here you have to write the single word here. Go from one place to another. Option A pay, option B travel, option C wear, option D think. So here go from one place to another is called travel. So option B will be the correct answer here. Then question number 14. Which is an example of topsy-turvy? Topsy-turvy means ulta, which is reverse of the fact. So here option A the sun rises in the east, it is correct. Then option C birds fly in the sky, it is also correct. Option D Robbie rides his bicycle on the road, it is also correct. But option B the sun sets in the north, it is topsy-turvy, because the sun does not set in the north, the sun sets in the west. So here topsy-turvy will be option B, the sun sets in the north. Then question number 15, you have to fill in the blanks. Here a word is given and that word will be your school boat. That word will be your school boat. So option B will be the correct answer. SCHOOLBOAT, school boat. So now we will submit our quiz. Now we will check our score. So we secured 15 out of 15. So all of our entries are correct here. Okay, thank you.